Hi guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I've had this particular hair since last year. I posted a picture on Instagram at Liz Main Hair before, but I don't think I ever did a video. So if you are considering wanting like braids and stuff like that, but you really don't want to sit down, I would recommend crochet braids. As you guys know, I love crochet braids. I've been using them for many years now as protective styling. Because they're just really easy to do, they're easy to take out, and you know, when you're a mom, you don't have a lot of time in your hands. They're perfect. That's my kid in the background. So yeah, so this particular one I got from Amazon. I bought about 3 packs in one for like $20 something. I'll leave the link below if you guys want to get it, but I just never really got to do a video for it. So this is the hair right here. I did the basic braid pattern that I always do. And it took me the same amount of time as usual. So if you really are wanting braids but you just don't want to sit, like I honestly can only do about 2 hours of sitting, and being that sometimes I have my husband with my kid, or I have his grandma watching him for me to go do my hair, I really just would rather do it myself. So that's really one of the reasons why I've been wanting braids, like single braids, but I just don't think I could sit down for too long. And then I already told you guys, like my back is not the same, like, so sitting for long periods of time I just can't do. So yeah, I was like, okay, I wanted box braids like last year and I got these. Let me turn around right here. So I have a big head and I feel like 3 packs were fine. These look really nice, but obviously you can see the line for where the braids are, and I feel like it's thick enough. It's thick enough where it's not like, you know, like scanted or whatever you call it. So definitely really wanted just to share with you guys this new hairstyle I'm rocking for the week or 2. I think maybe I might use this for Thanksgiving as well. I don't know, I'll think about it. But anyway, yeah, so I was really wanting braids, and I just remember that I had these in my stash, so I put them on, and so far so good. So I think that, like you can see here, if you wanted to put them in the center like this, obviously you can see that. You could even put them up if you really wanted to, like do a little like ponytail look like this. Like this. And honestly, if somebody's not coming too close to you like that, I don't think they'll be able to see like these are crochet braids. I remember one time I had them and this lady really thought I had braids on, and I had to tell her like, oh, these are crochet braids. So and I wanted to show you guys my sweatshirt too. It's really cool. It says California on it, but that's not what the video is about. Yeah, so just wanted to share with you guys my new hairstyle. I'll leave the information for the hair below. Same amount of time, and I'm 2 months post relaxer now. So that's one of the reasons. I feel like if your hair is relaxed, then you would not have any issues like with like your edges looking crazy and stuff. But yeah, so far so good. I really like it. Anyway, I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are hanging in there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.